I was never a storyteller until I took a solo motorbike trip to a tiny hamlet resting quietly in the lap of Sayadris. Welcome back to my channel Simply the Rain. Today we ride out of Mumbai for a weekend trip to one of Maharashtra's most majestic hidden gems, Tapola, as they call it in English, and Tapoda, as they call it in Marathi. A quaint village surrounded by mountains, wrapped in blue skies. Rivers so calm, it confuses whether it is a river or a lake. Tapola may be small, but the peace it offers feels endless. Mounting the luggage took a solid 10 to 12 minutes. Strap, tighten, recheck, and repeat. Fired up the bike and rolled out of Mumbai at exactly 6:23 a.m. for a 260-kilometer ride to Tapola. The first 50 to 60 kilometers absolutely flew. Smooth roads, cool breeze, perfect start. Took my first break near Uran, but the audio was a total disaster. Pure wind noise, completely gibberish. In fact, a day before, when I was setting up my helmet, I realized that my lavalier mic had got bad. I had couple of hours. I tried to find in nearby shops, but in vain. So I had to make do with my other mic, but that also gave up. Short 5 minutes break and I was back on my saddle, cruising on NH66. And of course, had to stop at Joshi Vadewale. And this was the first time I was having food at Joshi Vadewale. But
सो अभी बजे हैं 9:30 और अभी एक ब्रेकफास्ट किया, पोहा खाया जोशी बड़े वाले में। ओके था, बहुत ओके था, नॉट एट ग्रेट।
once I hit NH66, the ride settled into a sweet rhythm, cruising at 80 to 90 kilometers per hour, smooth, effortless, and honestly, a lot of fun. The day looked beautiful, but the sun and clouds were playing hide and seek. So there was a little anxiety about whether it would stay pleasant or suddenly heat up or perhaps start raining. But overall, it was a great riding weather, cool breeze with pockets of heat in between. Soon, I left the highway and took the left from Poladpur towards Mahabaleshwar. This is the same route that leads to the fascinating Pratapgarh Fort, full of history and brilliant engineering. If you are interested, there's a full vlog on that ride too. From there, the climb towards Mahabaleshwar began. Waterfalls everywhere. I actually started counting them, but honestly, I lost track pretty quickly. Finally, I took a quick tea break And that's where I got this stunning view of the entire valley. One of those perfect moments where the ride, the weather, and the scenery all came together.
सो अभी बजे हैं 2:50 एंड आपको मेरे स्माइल से पता चल ही गया होगा, इट वॉज वंडरफुल वंडरफुल जर्नी। सो जब आप पुलारपुर से लेफ़्ट मारते हो महाबलेश्वर के लिए, रास्ता काफ़ी अच्छा हो जाता है, वेदर काफ़ी अच्छा हो जाता है, धूप छाँव हाइड एंड सीक चालू ही है, बट वेदर थोड़ा कूल हो जाता है। एंड वंस यू रीच महाबलेश्वर एंड फ्रॉम महाबलेश्वर से जब आपने तापोला के लिए जो राइट मारते हैं, वाह व्हाट ए रोड, व्हाट ए रोड, पूरा वसूल हो गया। मतलब 250 किलोमीटर का जर्नी में 210 किलोमीटर्स ओके ओके, बट जो लास्ट के जो 30 किलोमीटर है महाबलेश्वर से तापोला, इट वाज जस्ट फैंटास्टिक फॉर बाइक राइड, फैंटास्टिक। एंड जस्ट बिकॉज हम इमीडिएटली पोस्ट मानसून आए हैं, मानसून पोस्ट मानसून क्या बोल रहा हूँ, इट्स स्टिल मानसून विच इज गोइंग ऑन, it's the beauty is fantastic. Tapola, I don't know how many of you have heard about this place, but it's considered to be mini Kashmir of Maharashtra. Now, is it really a mini Kashmir of Maharashtra? I don't think so. It's an exaggeration. It's just extremely, extremely beautiful. And you can see the Koyna River in the background. So Tapola till now has been fantastic. अभी प्लान ये है कि हम खाना खाएंगे, तो अभी खाना खाते हैं। थाली है यहाँ पर, और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, तो वेज थाली बोली है, वो खा लेंगे। ये जगह है जहाँ पर मैं रुका हुआ हूँ, और यहीं पर है कोयना रिवर। सो अभी जा रहा हूँ मैं कायाकिंग के लिए। हाँ आता है। The weather right now is just about perfect. So quiet, so calm. You must be wondering what happened to my boat, what happened to the color of my boat. That boat was too small, so the boatman said you can change the boat to the पानी से बोट चला रहा हूँ, सॉरी, हाथों से बोट चला रहा हूँ। अभी चाय टाइम हो गया, मस्त चाय पियेंगे। बताता हूँ मैं आपको पी के कैसी है। कड़क, लेकिन शुगर डाल दी है, मेरी गलती, मैंने बताया नहीं शुगर नहीं डालना है। मैंने एक ड्रोन शॉट लिया है, एकदम ज़बरदस्त आया है, आप भी देखिए।
After enjoying the kayaking and taking in the bird's eye view of Tapola, I wandered through the village. It's tiny. You can cover the whole place in under 30 minutes. I walked down the bay where the boats were lined up. You can take boat rides from here if your hotel or homestay doesn't have its own private boat. You will see the prices on the screen. As the day faded, I soaked in the quiet night vibe of Jalvishvo Agro Tourism. A simple dinner of plain dal and rice, and I called it a day. But the next morning, something happened. Something I was expecting, yet silently praying wouldn't come. मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, ऐसी है कुछ सुबह यहाँ की। ऐसा है कुछ रूम, सिंपल सा, क्लीन एंड नीट। अभी बजे 6:51। अभी फटाफट फ्रेश होते हैं, नहाते हैं एंड पैकिंग करते हैं, फिर नाश्ता करके 8:30 लेटेस्ट पर 9 o'clock निकलने का कोशिश करते हैं। रेडी हो चुका हूँ एंड बस अभी ब्रेकफास्ट लगेगा 5-10 मिनट में एंड लगेज वगैरह सब पैक कर दिया है। बाइक पे लगाना बाकी है बट सब रेडी है। अभी बस चलेंगे बॉम्बे की तरफ। यहाँ से 250 किलोमीटर है, 6 घंटा दिखा रहा है। ज़्यादा मैं बात नहीं कर पाऊँगा क्योंकि ऑडियो का इशू है, तो मिलते हैं सीधा रास्ते पे। When I started riding back, the weather was perfect. Cloudy skies, cool winds, but not a drop of rain. The stretch from Tapola to Mahabaleshwar was pure joy. But once I crossed Mahabaleshwar, the mood of the mountains changed. The clouds grew darker, the drizzle turned constant, and soon visibility dropped as the rain began to pour heavily. I had no choice but to protect my electronics and pack everything safely into my tank bag, so I couldn't capture the journey back home. From Poladpur to Mangaon, I rode through worst rains of the entire trip. I took a break, grabbed some lunch, and thankfully, when I hit the highway again, the skies had cleared. The rest of the journey home was smooth and calm. Tapola truly is the mini Kashmir of Maharashtra, and I would recommend every biker brother and sister, and honestly, anyone who loves nature, to experience this place at least once. I hope you enjoyed this vlog as much as I enjoyed this weekend ride to Tapola. And if you did, आपको पता है आपको क्या करना है, क्योंकि समझदार को इशारा काफ़ी है. This is Simply Dhiren signing off.